another video. I am going to give y'all a wig review. This video is sponsored by I Like Hair. Y'all, they sent me a beautiful curly bob wig, and let me show you guys the box that it came in. I thought the box was super cute. And all the goods and everything came in here. You guys will see that shortly. Here is the unit that they provided for me. Really cute. So y'all, let's get into it. So first things first, you want to make sure you grab the kit that they provided for you. So I will be using the wig cap. My hair is already braided down, so you guys, your hair needs to be braided down to be able to install this wig so it can be flat, okay? You don't want no wig that's not flat. So I'm trying to adjust my camera. Alright, that's better. Okay, so this is the wig cap. To put my hair up like this and put the wig cap over it. Y'all, had my hair braided like this. It was super cute when I first got it done, but now my hair has gotten a little older, so I'm not taking the braids out. I'm gonna keep them in so I can do the wig. So putting the wig cap on. And the good thing about this unit, you guys, you could wear it glueless. You do not have to put any glue on your head. So I'm going to get my makeup and come back. Alright, y'all. So I went ahead and plucked this unit already. I will insert a clip showing how I plucked this unit. Right now, I'm going to go ahead and use my makeup powder. So select a makeup powder that matches your skin tone. This is what I use, Ruby Kiss, and it is from the local beauty supply store. It's just a powder like this. I'm going to just take this brush here and brush it onto the lace. So dipping it here like this. Here's the lace. And brushing it on like that. Now, normally I would use a lace tint, but I am out of that right now. So I'm going to use my makeup, which will get the job done. So again, I am brushing it on here. So you just want to make sure you're covering it really good. And you want to tap it. Tap, 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 tap. Tap in. Alright, so I'm tapping it on here for now, but I know once I put it on my head, I'm probably going to have to tap it some more. But yeah, so I love that this wig has an elastic band on the inside. You can't adjust the elastic band. However, there is an additional elastic band here that you can adjust. It has these little holes here in the back, and you just hook it on to whichever level is comfortable on your head. It also has a comb in the back, and there are also combs on the side of the unit. Again, this is a water wave bob. So I'm just gonna adjust it to where I think it'll be comfortable on my head. I haven't decided if I want to wear a middle part or a side part. Undecided. So anyways, taking the elastic band, putting it over my head. I'm just adjusting it in the back pulling this over, and voila, the wig is on. So you all can see here that I need to add more makeup because it's not matching my skin tone. But anyways, the unit, what I really like about this is that it is an elevated bob. So it is short in the back and long on the sides. It's beautiful. The hair feels super good, soft. So I'm just gonna be rocking this wig so I can come back and give y'all a follow-up review on this unit. So far I have no shedding other than when I tweezed it, it pulled out some of the hair, but that's normal. It's what's supposed to happen. So yeah, I don't know, y'all, if I should have a side or a no part. I can always do a no part, just tease the hair, or if I should rock it in the middle. On my face, usually looks good when it's off to the side. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and actually put this wig back on my wig head and use a hot comb to lay the part. All right, y'all, so I finished plucking the wig how I want it. It's just this a bit. So I added a little bit of powder here because this is where the wig is going to sit. So I have the wig here. I've kind of parted it how I want it, and I added some more makeup. I'll see if I need to add any more makeup later. I'm not liking the lighting on my camera. Anyway, let's go ahead. So y'all see, I'm gonna do a side part. Already pulled apart my baby hairs. So this is how we're looking. Y'all also want to have a spray bottle for this too. So just want to get up. Yeah. No. So my side part is gonna be kind of deep. This is how I'm looking here on the side. Let me. So since I pull this over a bit, it's supposed to sit a certain way by the ear, but mine isn't. Move over just a little bit, but y'all can see this here. But I want my part over kind of deep, so I'm not going to do too much. I want to wear my wig glueless, so I'm not going to put any adhesive on it. I will be taking my favorite Eben Wonder Lace Bun, and I'm going to spray that here on the hairline, but try not to get it on the hair. So I'm going to spray this. After I spray that, y'all, I am going to tie it down with an elastic band to get that melted look. So let's go for it. So I'm going in and spraying it, making sure it gets down. I'm going to spray it one more time. Now I feel comfortable enough to tie it down with the elastic. So, like this. And tie it in the back. Alright y'all, so I got my handy dandy spray bottle. You guys grab this from the dollar store. The beauty supply store has it. Just put you some water in here and spray. I'm not gonna spray too much because honestly I just want this front piece to lay down. But I really like for my curly hair to have like a tease look to it. I'm gonna go ahead and actually wet it just so y'all can see how it looks wet. And then I'll go back with the blow dryer to kind of tease it. So just to let y'all visualize and see how it looks wet. Yeah, I'm over here getting my flower wall wet. These ain't even real flowers. They don't need to get wet. So I am just getting that water through here. You can also go in with a a curling cream, just so that you can help define that curl pattern more. So I am wetting this. Y'all, trying to get it how I like it. So I feel like I wet it enough. Now I'm going to use my brush and kind of just get that water through the hair. Ooh, this is beautiful, y'all. This curl pattern. I love me some curly hair. So this is how the back is looking. Hopefully it's not looking crazy back there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in again with my hot comb and I'm going to use my wax stick. This is the Eben wax stick, 24 hours. It just helps lay down any flyaways and also help just lay your wig even flatter to get that more of a natural look. So I put that on. Like I said, I need to plug up my hot comb. So I'm gonna put my hot comb to this, and then I'm gonna use my blow dryer a little bit just to help drying. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the elastic band off just to see what we're working with. See. Let's go ahead and cut the lace. You always want to make sure that you're cutting the lace zigzag. So I'm just going to attempt to pull these baby hairs out of the way, cutting close to the baby hairs, y'all. So up, down, up, down. Okay, I got that piece. Let's go over here. I don't like a lot of lace left behind. Over here cutting up. Trying to make sure I'm not cutting the hair, y'all. You do not want to cut into where your baby hairs are at. Alright. Lace is cut. I'm going to take my comb and kind of comb through, because I know some of that holding spray got on there. So now I'm just going to cut my baby hairs. And my sides I want kind of long a little bit. So I'm just cutting like that. Then here in the middle, I always do like a messy kind of choppy look here in the middle. And these are going to be shorter than your sides. And I just kind of let it do its own thing. Get that little piece. Okay. And then again, this is here on the side of the lace. You want to keep it kind of long, because you're going to curl. Not necessarily curl, but we gonna see, y'all. It's curly here, so I'm probably not going to curl my edges. I'm just going to slick them down with gel. So let's see how I like this. Now I just need to get my got-to-be glue. So let's see how this turns out. So funny thing, I actually found some lace tint that matches me. So I'm going to spray a little bit of that. Let's see. Just shaking it up. Kind of cover my edges, because I don't want the hair to be another color, even though I just did it up here. Alright, so why I like the lace tint is because it lasts longer than the makeup, my opinion. So next thing is I'm going to use this Gorilla Snot for my edges. I usually use the Got-To-Be Glue gel, but I can't find my gel, y'all. I am all over the place. but it's still gonna slay. So let me get it. All right, so I have an edge brush. Open that up, do our edges. Y'all, I'm gonna see how I like my edges, because sometimes it be taking me a couple days to like my edges. I'd be like, I don't know. So right now I'm just brushing to kind of imagine how it's gonna look. I've done this look before, y'all, and I kind of had loved how my edges looked with that look. So I'm going to spray my edge brush with this so that my edges last a minute. So spray them with this, and then I'm gonna dip it into this here. I don't want too much of this because this stuff could be, let me see, this stuff could be messy. Matter of fact, I'm putting a little bit on my back of my hand. So let's see, y'all, doing this over here. And it takes me a minute to do my edges because I am a perfectionist. And I don't be wanting to do all them swirls and stuff like that. Like, I just want to keep it simple. So I'm putting a little bit of it here on the edge. I'm not going to apply too much because I like my baby hairs to be messy. I don't know about y'all, but I like my baby hairs to be a little messy. I'm trying to see if I like the baby hairs going in that direction. So, y'all, if y'all hear my dog, she is always barking at anything she sees. Okay, so I'm liking this so far. So far, I'm not really liking how my edges is turning out over here. Let's see. Yeah, they need to go in this direction. So I'm actually going to brush it over here. I'm gonna comb it in this direction. And I just want to brush it back into the lace. So let's see. I have a mirror in front of me, so forgive. I am feeling it, and this is Glueless.